So this is our first morning at Sacha Lodge. We thought somebody would come around to our room and knock at 5 to wake us up because we're doing the 6 o'clock. We're going out to see the Parrot Lick. It's where all these big parrots go and literally lick the side of a hill or something because there's a lot of salt or something like that. I don't know. We'll find out. And then we're going to have an early lunch with a indigenous family out in the jungle, which should be really cool. So, it's a beautiful morning. We had a great night's sleep. I feel so much better. And of course, look what I get to wake up with every morning.
¿Puedo compartir con ella?
Just canoeing down the lazy river. On our way to the Parrot Lick. So peaceful.
Okay.
So it sounds like Sergio did it too.
Yeah, he told me.
So wouldn't that be wonderful if the four of us could... That would be a wonderful tour.
Up at 4 in the morning to go see the animals, and we saw animals, but we saw the same ones at 2 in the afternoon. We could have slept all morning.
No, here is
It's so different. Yeah.
And also sometimes you see these ones, the yellow crown Amazon. You see the yellow on the
Oh yeah.
I'm hoping this comes out on video. How loud
So
they
we have
Four of them. Yeah.
four
You can only watch it from the boat. You can't
These are smaller.
see how far away we are.
a little bit small, but this is
But really cool.
75 inches.
Yes.
This is the big
Really cool.
Yes. The mealy parrots, the main one.
Navigating this narrow inlet, heading towards the indigenous community. There's another boat that's with us, but they got off, got way back in another spot, but some of us don't have boots on, so we didn't want to wade in the water, so they're accommodating us very nicely, getting us very close to the indigenous community where we don't have to wade through water, and this way we'll be there a lot sooner than that other group that disembarked quite a ways back. So I can only imagine their surprise when they arrive in the community, and there we are, having a grand old time.
Get the heart rate up, but not running, not like that.
I can't do that. My breathing.
He's doing a great job.
Okay. Asthmatic or what?
Herman or driver is.
The doctor.
He's wonderful.
I'm on that CPAP, but that's more for snoring.
Okay.
He said I'm pre.
And if you're listening, just ignore Steve's medical confessions here. They're really not important. Certainly not pertinent to us.
Yes.
All the area that we did is the territory of the community. But here the people don't live so close. Each family has a big area to live, to have their crops, and also each family has to have an area to access to the river. So in that way they have food as fish. Yeah?
Yes.
Really, really important.
So this is the interpretive center?
Yes. This is a learn that. But this is a project that is run by the women from the community. This is, in some cases, they come here to take classes because recently, Sergio told me that now they have internet signal that they only use to have some communication when people is coming or when kids needs to see something on the internet.
Like
It's
a video
not-
game.
Or remote learning.
No, I don't think so, to be honest. Also, some people can visit the community. Of course, they don't have cabins now, but you can camp here. And they have, for sure, native guides that can take you through the community. They have some trails, for example, where they can see these spider monkeys. Yeah, spider monkeys don't live in the area of Sacha Lodge because they are separated by the river. So sometimes there are people that want to see that specific monkey and come here because people know where they live, so they take you.
Okay.
And this is how the Quichuas people build the houses. Because in Ecuador we have 14 nationalities that are groups, indigenous groups, different groups. Each one has their own language, their culture, different languages. So now we are visiting just Quichua people. And Quichua at the same time is their language. And it's considered the second official language in Ecuador.
Yeah.
So Quichua is a culture, a group of people, and also a language. And each group of people has different ways to build the houses. This is the way that Quichuas do it.
In Ecuador, we have two kind of chicha. If we make a really big comparison, for example, in the highland, we have the chicha made with corn, but here made with yuca, cassava. Okay. So right now, Erica are going to explain us. Yes. Okay. Okay, you are strong.
No, not really. I used to be. I'm just
Okay. But usually this kind of chicha made women and with all the family like this, sitting like this, like you.
It's like mashed potatoes.
Yes, exactly.
Has it been boiled before? It's just
Yes,
raw.
boil it first and later make a paste because
So
you
this
have
is like
you have to make a paste. Yes, this paste is smooth and really I don't know, soft. Yeah.
when I get home, I'm gonna send you the masher I use.
Yes.
This is nice,
Yes, it's really good.
but then again, you don't have to clean this like you do the masher every so often. You let me know when it's mashed enough.
That's only for two.
So we make a drink that is also later or maybe after 3 or 4 days it converts into an alcoholic beverage.
Ooh,
Yes.
you had me an alcoholic.
Yes. Later. Yes, exactly. Because we have to ferment this yuca. And later Erika are going to explain us. Okay, so thank you very much.
I'm not done. My sister's name is Erica.
El nombre de la hermana de él se llama Erika.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
It's very good.
Very sweet.
Steve's gonna try a worm. Face me, Steve. Was that the worm?
Salty.
Salty. I'm gonna take his word for it. I'm not gonna eat the
There's a
worm.
coconut.
There's a bone.
Crunchy.
Go ahead.
It has a distinctive flavor.
Warm? Eat up. This is all we get today.
Fisch mit
That's what I ate.
That's what.
So they shrink when they cook them.
How was it?
Salty.
All right, Steve's gonna try the blowgun here. He's gonna aim at that monkey down there. Where is it? There it is. There's the monkey. Some last-minute instruction. Remember, Steve, aim high.
Aim the head. Deep breath. Blow hard.
Oh! Almost.
Deep breath.
Come on.